over to the home. Now, when we go back to the home, you can see I have minimum of 5,000 naira in my portfolio for naira, and I have $5.76 in my dollar portfolio. And I want you to see something. You remember when I talked about the OptiFlex and the OptiLock? So if we click on the OptiFlex, you're going to see that when you lock this money, as I said, let's click on create a plan. It says earning 13% per annum is subject to limiting withdrawals to 5 times a month. So you can withdraw your money in this OptiFlex up to 5 times and nothing more in a month. Have you ever thought about writing an ebook but don't know where to start? Or maybe you have written one but haven't seen the sales you hoped for. Join our exclusive ebook creation training and learn the proven strategies to create, launch, and sell an ebook that generates serious revenue. What will you learn? How to choose the right topic, writing for profit, professional design and formatting, marketing strategies, maximizing profits. Exclusive bonuses, free ebook templates, marketing checklist, live question and answer sessions. We have testimonies of students and mentees that have written their first ebook and also got a sale the same day they released it. And myself, I am an author of over 5 books, and some of them are even best sellers. So we have a track record, and it's proven, it's tested. Are you ready to create an ebook that sells? Secure your spot in our exclusive training now. Where? Online via Zoom. When? 2nd November 2024. Duration 1 day. Intensive program. Sign up now by clicking the link to join the WhatsApp. Spaces are limited. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your knowledge into a profitable ebook. Serious about success? This training is for you. See you live. So before we start up our training, let's look at what this platform is all about. It says save, invest, and spend with Optimus. Okay? And they have been around since 1995. All right? And you can invest, you can spend, you can save, and lots more. Safe and secure. Now, with this, you're sure that this platform is safe for you to invest in. They are safe and secure. They are registered and licensed with the SEC, which is Securities and Exchange Commission. Oh, that is amazing. Now, you can save with OptiFlex and you can save with OptiLock. Now, let me explain the difference. You can save in dollars, you can also save in naira. You have a high yield interest account that allows you to save daily, weekly, or quarterly, and also annually. So you can take your money anytime. While when you save with OptiLock, you can lock your money. It allows you to set aside a lump sum of money for a fixed period. So it can be for 2 months, it can be for 2 years. Okay? And if it's not up to the time you locked it, you can't access the money. But with OptiFlex, you can access the money. OptiFlex is a high yield interest account that allows you to save periodically, daily, weekly, quarterly, or annually with the goal of reaching a certain target. And you look at this one allows you to save every day. So every day you're earning from this platform and you can take your money anytime. Okay? And you can save in naira, you can also save in dollars. While in OptiLock, you have to save for a period of time. And OptiLock has a higher interest rate than OptiFlex until the duration you've locked your money reaches. But with OptiFlex, you can take your money anytime. You can take control of your finances. This is very key. You can live a life without limits. This is amazing by investing in dollars and also investing in naira. So you can see ahead to stay ahead. Now, this platform for me is a game changer if you're looking to have financial freedom, especially in the area of investing. Okay, make sure you join the community, very important. And you can ask your questions if you're confused, and you can always get help from Optimus. All right. So click the link in the bio. Make sure you use the link below like this, but this link is going to be under this video. All right, so just click the link, and when you click it, to bring you to an interface like this. What are you to do? You're to fill everything they have asked you to fill. And please, if you're having issue, just make sure you go to your phone and do it. Still remember to use the link, okay, so that you'll be safe. When you finish filling everything, the platform will be ready for you to start using. So let's go. So the moment you've finished everything, you can now come into your interface, right? When you come into your interface, you will not see any money like the way you see money here. What are you to do? You just go to fund wallet and then you put in money into your wallet. Here, look at here where they wrote, you just click on wallet and you click on fund wallet. So you just click on it. You can click on your Naira bank account. You can use also a debit card, or you can use Western Union. This one takes 15 minutes, 15 minutes. This one takes 45 minutes. You click on your Naira bank account, you just use the details, and when you fill it in, the money will appear just like this. Okay, so if you want to swap, you just click on swap, and you can swap to any currency you desire. After you're finished putting your money, we're going to be going over to the home. Now when we go back to the home, you can see I have minimum of 5,000 naira in my portfolio for naira, and I have $5.76 in my dollar portfolio. And I want you to see something. You remember when I talked about the OptiFlex and the OptiLock? So if we click on the OptiFlex, you're going to see that when you lock this money, as I said, let's click on create a plan. It says earning 13% per annum is subject to limiting withdrawals to 5 times a month. So you can withdraw your money in this OptiFlex up to 5 times and nothing more in a month. On OptiLock, you just go here and you put in OptiLock. You're going to see it says OptiLock Naira is a short-term investment feature that allows you to earn investment when you lock away your savings for a fixed period. Now let's click on create. When you click on create, it shows you that you should give it a name, and then it will show you how much you're going to be earning. Remember, This one you will get higher, but when you lock it, you can't use the money. Okay, you can't withdraw the money until the time that you fixed it. So you can also do it with dollar, OptiFlex with dollar. All right, it's still this one you'll be earning 4% per annum, and you can only withdraw 3 times a month. Wow, this is amazing. Then OptiLock dollar, the same thing. Remember, is for a short term until that time elapses. That's when you can collect your money. Now for OptiLock, you're getting as low as 20% of your money, while for OptiFlex, you're getting as low as 13% for your money. Let's go back and see. So you can also decide to invest your money in mutual funds. Okay, you can decide to grow your money as well with US stock, and you can also do Nigerian stock, but this part says coming soon. Now there's something I also want you to know. Now, if I go to this my Naira portfolio and I click on it, it's going to open. Now it will show me something, and I want you to notice. It says your wallet interest is 9% per annum, and I'm seeing 9 naira point 86 kobo. So I started this platform October 16th, 2024, and today is 18th of October 2024 when I did this video. I want you guys to notice something. Let's go back to home. If you check my Naira portfolio, you can see I have made 9 naira point 86 kobo. Oh my God. Even your bank can't give you this. Even my bank can't give you this. For me, this is mind blowing. This is amazing. And if you look at what it says here in your net worth, it says you have gained 1 naira point 76 kobo today. So you earn every day. Oh my God. I want to say a very big thank you to Financial Jennifer for showing me this. God bless you, darling. Thank you so much. And you, pure community, please take this seriously and start changing your financial story. So we'll be trying out our first investment, shall we? Let's go. So I'll be going to my OptiFlex. I'll be creating a plan, and I will say, okay, I'm going to put the plan name, save. Let's just put save now. Okay, and I'll click on continue. So the minimum you can put here is 10,000 naira, or okay, no problem. So you can put 10,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, 500,000 naira, and 1 million naira. That's the minimum you can start. Then when you put in that, you click on continue. So let's check the dollar. If I go to the dollar, I'll click on create, I'll click on continue. I'm also going to put save now, and I'll click on continue. And it shows me that the minimum I can put is $100, and I can also put 200, 300, 500, and $1,000. And when you've done that, you click on continue. Now, the benefit of this is when you put in your money in the OptiFlex, you can keep it and take your money anytime. But when you put it in your OptiLock, you're locking it for a certain time. Remember, minimum of 2 months. Don't forget that. Now, I'm going to be saying something here. Even if for now you don't have that money to start, just leave your money here. And you can see every day you're making 1 naira 76 kobo. But if I'm you, I'm going to invest and start making my money. So let's invest, shall we? Make sure you put your money to work and start making that money for yourself. Or you can just leave your 5,000 naira this way and start making money for yourself. Go to your OptiFlex and invest your 10,000 naira and start earning. Okay? But even if you don't have, you can leave it here and every day you're making 1 naira 76 kobo. The same with the dollar. You can leave it there and complete it till $100 and then you lock it or you invest it. And then you lock it or you save it. And remember, you can still go down and put your money in your mutual funds, US stocks, and Nigerian stocks coming soon. If I were you, I will hold this with all my heart. You see all those money, small money you're not using, all those money you'll be wasting. Just keep putting it here and change your story financially by investing in your future. Invest for your children, introduce your husband, introduce your wife, introduce your mother, your brother, your sister, your entire family, and change your story and everybody's story that you know online. Make sure you go to your portfolio, your US stock, your invest, your savings, your wallet, everything, and be familiar with this platform. If you need any support, click on the support. Make sure you follow them. Click on their follow, go to their Telegram, be part of the community. When you have problems, ask them. And also, if you have any questions concerning this, you can still put your questions in the comment section. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. Share it to a lot of people. Let them be financially free. Let them start investing and enjoying what you are about to start enjoying. And remember, time is currency. Be focused. I am Alpella and this is Alpella Academy. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.